Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs Upashakler Wajri, Hakasungi Pale Ulapentip Bakajing Pinkre ke Meghalaya Games Arja Arsau, Klayat Bhashakman, but Sorkar kan pelut Arpulai klur tingka, Nakabenta ban pynlong ya kan lumpung yelekai, Kabajob Hatura. Habekran bakinong thok kubor Upashakler Ulaong, Bakindan Palat Lai Hajar ngut kinong yelekai Kibanwan Yashiminta Hakan lumpung behedu Habok Kajala. Ulaong bahakan lumpung on pynlong hadu arpo artli kijat jingi lekai, Gentup yalai tli kijingi lekai nalatan rai. Bagajing tumujong kan lumpung kalong ban kenti ka kami lekai kamtam hak ban plila de kisamla bakin saya ka sap ka phong ka jongki na ka jingkmi lenti bakin nong lekai kin la ban lekai bha haki national level ulaong magani ka lumpung lekai kan sedang hak santari ukula lingkot bakan kut hak arpho tarik ukula lingkot aja arpsau.
The objective is purely based on how to promote sports in our state, to give a chance to a youth to showcase their talent, and I believe with this it will help them a lot. So that is one of the main objectives, and we want to host Meghalaya Games because we're giving them a platform to grow, and hoping that through this someday they'll emerge as they can even take part in national games as well. The preparation is going on in full swing. All the accommodations are being renovated. All the the places are being renovated. Everything is being done, and we are sure that it will be a very successful Meghalaya Games. The athletes, we have about 3,000 plus, and with officials and everyone, I think about 3,300. That's the numbers we're looking at. We're spending about more than 22 crores. I believe it'll touch 23. No, I believe it's not. See, we're spending so much to make sure that our athletes are being looked at the very best in terms of food, in terms of transportation, in terms of accommodation, and everything. We're doing 22 disciplines, so I don't think so it's that much. But we want to give our youth the best. That's why we're spending.